Hi. Hello. Sorry, it sounds strange, but you don't look like you're from here, but you're very beautiful. Where are you from? Хорошо. Говоришь по-русски? You married? Okay.
Bit of a rough start. She's not giving me a lot here. You can hear it in her tonality and how short she's answering, right? I'm telling her she's beautiful. I'm trying to speak a little Russian. I'm asking her, trying to engage her, but her answers are very short. Moscow, no, da-da-da. I have to find my way in. She's not running away. She is taking the compliment, but she's still in a state of like, who the fuck is this guy and why does he want to talk to me? So my job here is not to roll into a conversation, is not to overwhelm her, is not even to get that close to her. You can see my body language and my distance is still, I keep my distance, so to say. So let's see if I can find a way in.
Can I talk to you for 2 minutes? I'm interested in your story. Why did you come to London?
Learn English.
Oh, this is a language school.
Yes. Every day.
Говоришь только по-русски
Да.
or другой язык?
No.
Usually I would never ask a girl, can I talk to you for 2 minutes? Because usually the answer is no, you cannot, and bye. But in this situation, I have the intuition that it's more about the language barrier and less about the fact that she doesn't like me or just doesn't want to talk to me. She is engaged to an extent. Yes, she's unsure of what this is, who I am, what I want, but she's intrigued. And of course, I stated at the very beginning, hey, you're beautiful. So I did make my intention clear, which is very important. So there's no like big question mark over her head now of like, is he asking for direction? Does he need to know what a museum is? What does this fucking guy want? No, I was honest. I think you're beautiful. And now I'm trying to figure it out with her. So I'm asking her, why are you coming to London? She's pointing at her red bag, which is a language school. So now it becomes more and more clear that it's really about the language barrier. And I'm responding with my very broken Russian. She's responding with her not so great English. But actually, as we see going ahead, her English isn't that bad. A lot of guys would give up here, right? So if you have been in a situation where you talk to a girl where English or whatever your language is not her first language and there's a language barrier, don't give up so easily. Usually people are just a little shocked, a little overwhelmed when they suddenly have to switch language, and it takes some time to warm up.
Oh, there.
So,
You were from
born in Austria.
Austria. How you know what?
Немец.
Немец?
Да.
But you know Russia little.
Not much. I live 2 years in Ukraine.
Okay.
Yes. Why you moved London?
Just.
No, it's not true.
All right, now we're getting somewhere. First of all, just from a body language aspect, she's standing close to me now. She's kind of facing me now. If we compare that to, 20 seconds in where the distance was bigger and she looked straight away and not at me at all. She's touching her hair now a little bit. She's smiling. And from an actual language standpoint, she's asking me questions. Where are you from? What language do you speak? And why do you speak Russian?
Почему? Хорошо.
So she's curious now. She's engaged. Her guard is down. And we can actually start to get to know her. And that's why I know I'm repeating the question, why are you in London? But she didn't give me a good answer before. She just pointed at her back. And I actually want to know. I want to know her story, which I also stated before. So I'm going into it now, knowing she's engaged. She's actually listening. She wants to show herself. So now we're in this comfort area, overcoming that first, 1 minute of cringe, which just is a part of this whole thing, right? If you meet a stranger, there's gonna be cringe in the beginning. There's gonna be moments where you feel like, I wanna escape, this is weird, she doesn't like me, she doesn't understand me, she doesn't even speak my language. But that's fine. It's your job as a guy to just sit in that cringe and let it pass and be calm and be stable, not follow her, not make any erratic movements, not show that you're really affected by her disinterest. You're stable, you're grounded, you know you're good. You know what you have, you know your worth, baby. And she will get drawn into that confidence.
I I'm tired in Moscow.
Okay. Почему? In English. I am now your teacher. You can speak bad and slow, but you have to speak English.
Experience in my life.
Experience.
Yes.
You wanted experience.
Yeah.
Okay. And are you a person who always needs new stuff? Every year you want to change, or?
No. No. See, local now. I'm here maybe 2-3 years and
Already?
yes.
Ah.
And next I can fly everywhere because maybe Russia people need visa everywhere.
Конечно.
Problem.
Yes. Big problem.
Now I can fly everywhere and see where I can stay, where I want to stay. Yeah. Now not need visa for me.
Because you get passport here, or like a residence card.
Yeah.
All right. So first we establish I'm your teacher now. You can speak shit. You can speak slowly. You can make mistakes, but you have to talk in English. So there's a little bit of an authority, and she likes it. She's laughing. She likes that dynamic. And then be very aware. I let her speak. Right? Very tempting for me to give her the answer, to guide her, to interrupt her. But no, I let her talk, I let her explain herself for several reasons. First of all, it's just more comfortable for her to not be interrupted. Second of all, then I actually learn something about her, right? If I constantly interrupt her, I only know at the end of the conversation what I already suspected, what I already thought is true. But hey, she's giving me this useful information. She's here to maybe get a residence card, to eventually can travel everywhere. So that's important for her. She wants to go to different places. I let her talk, and only when she really gets the sentences out, I ask kind of like a confirming question. She confirms. Good, we got it.
Молодец. Well done. That's cool. I know, big problem. It sucks.
And small detail here, a few seconds after, I reward her. Oh, молодец, good, well done. That makes sense. So now she shared with me, and I basically reward her for sharing. I want to make her feel good for the effort she put into explaining herself and investing into me and into that conversation and into that relationship that we have here.
And what's your dream country? Where you want to live? I think about this.
Maybe Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
I think what is best place for weather, lifestyle,
People.
food, people, family. You want to have family?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. But not now.
Because I listened and I found out she cares about traveling, I can now continue the conversation in an area that she cares about, which is traveling, by asking her what's her favorite country that she would want to go to. She's saying,
Maybe Italy.
which is interesting. I was just reading an article on blue zones, and there's like in Sicily, it's one of the few spots in the world where people live really long, and I felt that's really interesting. So I'm giving the list of things that are important when you move to a country. We kind of both saying family.
What's the one thing you can never live without?
My family.
That's my girl.
Seems like that's important for her, so that's where I'm continuing the conversation. A lot of guys always have the issue of I'm running out of things to say, right? But that's complete bullshit. You're not running out of things to say when you talk to your mom, when you talk to your best friend, when you talk to your brother. You always have stuff to talk about because you care about the same things. With women, probably you cut her off before it got interesting, and now you don't know where to take the conversation. So because I found out the travel topic is important for her, and not just traveling as a tourist, but like the ability to live somewhere, move somewhere else as a Russian passport owner particularly, is crucial for her. Now I know I can put it into that direction, and there will be more coming because she's passionate about that.
But you think about, okay, where is a good place to raise children, you know?
Yes.
Как тебя зовут? Alex, nice to meet you. Сложно? Language school.
The first day. Yes.
It was first day. It took you
I came 10 days ago.
to London.
Yeah.
But you said 2 or 3 years.
This time, 10 days ago.
Ah.
Yeah. All time, 3 years ago, but I was usually in Moscow.
I understand. Okay. Well, I live Kiev, but I miss it. And now I do like Dubai, Bulgaria, maybe London. I don't know. Like I have house apartment in Bulgaria. I live a little bit Dubai,
Okay.
but I miss Ukraine. It was very nice.
Yes.
Yeah, it was cool. Yeah, difficult. Well, you're a sweet girl. I like you.
Thank you.
We should have a dinner, drink.
Yeah.
Not dinner, maybe. It's too much. First date. First date, we can do.
Thursday.
First date.
Date. Date.
Date, yeah. We can have a drink.
Stop drinking.
We can have a tea.
Okay.
We had a little bit of a conversation. She's tiptoeing around a bit. She didn't ask me any more questions. She's not hyper engaged anymore. So I'm sharing a little bit about myself, my background, a little bit of status, saying, you know, I'm living in these different places, trying to hook her a little bit, get her interest. Not a lot is coming back from it. So I'm going for the close. And I'm again very direct, and I'm pre-framing the close with, you're a sweet girl, I want to see you again in that context. So I'm not just saying, oh, what's your number? No, I want to see you. I want to have a drink with you.
Stop drinking.
Since I don't drink, I say, let's have a tea.
Okay.
Flowing with it. But it's very clear. Again, here I'm showing my intentions. I'm not hiding it. I'm not just saying, let's be friends, right? I mean, she didn't say she has a boyfriend. She said she's not married. She was engaged. She took my compliment well. She stayed there. She's facing me. She's smiling. So why not at least lead with, let's go on a date, be very clear about it. If she has a problem with that, she's a grown woman. She can tell me. She can push back. So just being very direct here.
I like drink, but I'm stopped.
Why you just drink too much?
Yeah.
Like how much? Too much.
Yes, too much.
A lot.
A lot.
A lot.
And I stopped maybe 2 months ago. Yeah.
You feel much better?
Yes.
Your skin better?
Yeah.
Everything better?
No, skin now not better. Inside it coming outside.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. Detox.
Detox, yes.
Ah. You have to, I like to drink ginger shot.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Stop talking about.
What?
Stop talking about alcohol.
No, ginger.
Ginger is
Это
without alcohol.
имбирный.
I think maybe ginger with alcohol.
No, ginger, press, shot, because it also burns like tequila, but no alcohol.
Okay.
And very healthy. It's like healthy shot. Yeah, it's good. Very nice. You will now lay down and sleep after difficult.
No, no sleep.
You have work?
No, not work. No. I won't go work. Shop.
Good. When do I see you again?
I don't know. You can add my number and what?
I think so, yeah. Are you free maybe?
Today, no.
No, I don't want to do today. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday evening.
You will write, okay?
I will write, okay. What?
My full name. Yes, I'm from Russia, but I'm Muslim.
You like Dagestan?
Yeah.
Ah. I have one friend from Dagestan. Yeah. You can type number with plus.
WhatsApp.
Da.
This WhatsApp.
Muslim. And how many years you live in Dagestan?
When I was 18 years old, I moved Moscow.
Okay.
Now, how old? 27 old. Yes.
Хорошо. Yes.
What about you? How old are you?
Too old now.
33?
No. I look?
So it has been a short interaction. So I'm kind of still using the fact that she's still with me, but we're exchanging numbers to keep getting to know her, right? Some logistical stuff. She's sharing she's actually from Dagestan, not from Moscow. I'm asking when did she move? All that's interesting stuff. Again, don't see this whole approach thing as these isolated parts, right? It's not like, compliment, conversation, closing. Like now I'm in the closing phase, but I'm still complimenting her, going into it. I'm still finding out about her. It's always about creating comfort. At no time in this whole interactions was I too pushy, but I've also never held back.
Well, you're a sweet girl. I like you.
Thank you.
Right? I told her she's beautiful, she's cute, I like that, I like this. So I'm very grounded in that sense. I'm not chasing, but I'm still honest, and I put my intention out there for her to see and deal with it. And she appreciates that. And again, she asks me a question, interesting moment, how old are you? That's an investing question. She's curious what's going on here. And notice how I'm not directly answering. I'm playing a little bit with that.
Too old now.
33.
No. I look?
Now with the age thing, that's a classic one, like what do you think, ha ha ha. But it's a good lesson in there. You don't always have to answer honestly and straight away. Have fun with it, play around. It goes like that.
I will send you this one. It's very cute. 31. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. You too.
Peace. Bye.
If you watched this far, I appreciate you liking this video. It really helps this small channel. Now, if you are inspired and you want to learn how to talk to women in parks, on the streets, in everyday situations, and something is holding you back, then I want to help you, and I want to go on a call with you to analyze your current situation and tell you what is the next step you can make to learn to improve your dating life, your social life, your abilities with women. So click below to book one of the 2 calls I do every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.